Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I like to talk about one most important software, which is a text to speech software. This is a really amazing software. I saw many of YouTubers do not use any kind of voice in their video. They just type something, write something what they are doing in their tutorial. This software is useful for them. You need to just type what you want to say in this software, and this software will turn to voice what you write. So this is iVona software. This is really amazing software. This is a paid software, but I have one crack version of this software. I upload this file in my Google Drive, and you can find the download link in my description below. If you face any problem, please comment me. To get iVona software, you need to run this eSpeak.exe file first. I'm running. So next, I hope you know how to set up software. So I script that step how to set up. So finish. After set up the eSpeak software, then you need to set up these two. These two have different kind of voice in different version. So first one,
Welcome to iVona text-to-speech setup wizard. To continue setup, press enter.
here you can see iVona 2, iVona high quality voice, iVona 2 US English male voice. This is a big software, so it will take some time. The specialty of this software is output the natural voice, so that no one can understand this is real or not. You need to just customize your voice so that it look like natural. So here is finish. So I only set up this one. You can set up both. So after setup, just go to crack, copy this one, go to your C drive or where your file was set up. Just copy and replace. Continue. Okay. Now run eSpeak.
Welcome to YouTube channel. Welcome to YouTube channel.
So this is little bit artificial, so just change custom the voice. You can set format. You can increase or decrease rate. So I'm decreasing. You can also customize volume.
Welcome to YouTube channel.
Little bit.
Welcome to YouTube channel. Welcome to YouTube channel.
Sorry.
Welcome to YouTube channel. Welcome to YouTube channel.
This is look like realistic, and you can download more iVona voice from internet. So what you want to say in your video, just type it here. Type it here and just speak, and you can open your file, push, stop, script, and save to web. In this way you can make your voice. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.